This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup Black Label 18RJBWBL is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features a ACADIA interior, sleeps 4, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.